All rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1017, Allen case. Judge, both parties have been sworn.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Okay, Mrs. Allen or Miss Allen?
It's Mrs. still.
Mrs. Okay. You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, my husband and I have been separated for 5 months.
Okay.
And now I have filed for divorce. He has started seeing someone else, and I would like back pay for our son. He is 12 years old.
Okay. Do you want back pay because he's seeing someone else?
Well, because he is supporting somebody else. He's no longer in our home. Okay. And I would like to have back pay and start paying child support for our son, that he is living with me.
Okay. I just want to make sure we're not, you want back pay for the child, right? Not necessarily because he's moved on.
Yes.
Buckle up. This courtroom clash is anything but ordinary. Mrs. Allen walks in asking for a divorce, but she's also demanding back child support. Sounds routine? Think again. The twist? Her estranged husband's new girlfriend used to be her yoga student. Yeah, talk about messy. As money, emotions, and betrayal collide, the judge faces a tangled web. Who's really in the right? Stick around. This case takes some unexpected turns.
Since he left, has he given you any type of support?
Yes.
Okay, how much?
About
600.
600 each month?
Money orders every month, ma'am.
Okay, money orders? Okay, good. And it looks like you turned those in to me. Okay. So you want child support and back pay?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay. And what do you have to say about that?
I don't think I need to give back pay. It's like we just had mentioned. I've been giving her $600 every month in money orders. Plus I take care of the insurance.
Okay, and how much is the insurance exactly?
Insurance is $109.
Okay, and I like that you came prepared with your notes and stuff. You don't see too many people come to court with their documents, so that's good. So about this significant other, do you believe that that's the reason you're being brought to court now?
Yes, completely.
Okay, is there a story behind that? Like, did they have an argument, a disagreement?
Well, they don't like each other.
I mean, obviously.
Well, thing is that she's a yoga instructor.
Okay.
And she works, she does her yoga. And the woman I'm seeing now actually is a former student of hers.
Oh, so you know her.
Knew her.
You knew her?
Yes.
Were you guys friends?
She was an acquaintance that I'd help her, took her under my wing. She's younger, she's 20 years younger than me.
And you're mad about that?
I'm not happy about it. I mean, wouldn't you be? I mean, what do you expect, you know?
Well, me personally, you know, this has nothing to do with me.
Yeah, but yeah, I mean, this caught me off guard. I do focus myself a lot at work. He's upset, so I'm hardly focusing on him. So I guess that's why he's decided to find somebody else.
She's focused on her work and not on me and her son. That's the reason why we're having issues now.
Okay. And that's the reason, obviously, why you guys are split and you're with someone else?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Based on your financial documents that you provided, it looks like you own an accounting firm. You make about $85,000 a year?
Correct.
Okay. And health insurance, you said, who covers that?
I do.
How much is that?
$109 a month.
Okay. So, what we are going to do is calculate your child support. And
Mrs. Allen isn't just mad about the other woman. She's furious her ex isn't supporting their son the way she believes he should. But get this, he's been sending her $600 a month and covering the child's insurance. She's still demanding back pay, arguing he's prioritizing his new relationship over his child. So, here's the question. Does a new girlfriend justify a back pay claim? Or is this just financial revenge? Let's see how the court sees it.
Comes out to, if there is a difference, then the back pay would be, what you've already paid would be a credit towards that. So you wouldn't necessarily get the full amount of what the back pay should be. And you shouldn't expect it because he has proof that he's giving you money and you actually agreed that he's been giving you money. So based on your $85,000 a year, I have your gross at $6,974. Net comes out to $5,493.29. And I gave you credit for your medical, the 109 that you carry for the child, and that's for the child only, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I gave you credit for that. So that brings your child support obligation, well, not the full amount, but it's $1,098.60, okay? $1,098.60. And when you multiply that by 5 months, back pay comes out to $5,493, giving you credit for what you've paid. You said $600?
Yes.
Okay, so $600 times 5 for the past 5 months will be $3,000. That's what you get a credit for. So when you apply the credit to the $5,493, it comes out to $2,493 that's remaining for back.
Now it's time to crunch numbers. The judge starts calculating what the husband should have been paying, and surprise, it's a lot more than $600. Based on his income, the correct child support comes out to $1,098 per month. So that's $600? Not cutting it. Insurance payments help, but legally he's short. Does he have a leg to stand on, or is he about to take a major financial hit?
That we kind of make sure you pay that over time. You want to cover the interest on the amount each month.
Okay.
So you can do about $149 would be interest if you do like 6% interest every month, which is what the state is entitled to. So about $150 a month would cover the interest, and you would add that to the monthly child support obligation. So that would make your your full monthly child support obligation of $1,248.
Okay. But
And once that $2,493 is paid in full, the amount will go back down to the $1,098.60.
I mean, I've been giving her money. I think the $600 was sufficient.
Well, technically, it is good that you did give her money, but your child support obligation based on what you make comes out to about $400 more than that. So you were short. Had you been giving her $1,000 a month, it would have probably cut.
Here's where it gets real. The judge rules. The husband owes back pay for the 5 months he was underpaying. Total owed? $5,493. But since he did pay $600 each month, he gets a $3,000 credit. That leaves a balance just under $2,500. Sounds manageable? Not so fast. The state's tacking on interest. Yep, that back pay's now a ticking financial time bomb.
$100 or something like that. But yeah, that's the reason why you have back pay owed. But you did get a credit for the $600 that you did give her for the past 5.
Final verdict. For the next few months, the husband must pay $1,248 monthly, standard support plus interest on the back pay. Once the debt's cleared, it drops to $1,098 a month. But is that fair, considering he was paying something all along? This is what happens when the legal numbers don't match real-life assumptions. In court, fair doesn't always...
Do you all have any other questions? Anything else we need to discuss here today? Okay, well, if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed. You're welcome.
So what's the damage? Despite paying $600 per month, the husband now owes an extra $2,493 in back pay and a temporary support bump to over $1,200 a month. Was the court too harsh, or was Mrs. Allen just standing her ground? You decide. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you love these courtroom deep dives, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more right here on Truth of Court.